1 o'clock in the Philippines. This place is the place that you go before. This is my garden. You see, and this is my napier here, and there is already a corn. And when you saw this one, this is now the new site for Four Lanes Road. This is down in our garden here. This is my garden before. I have vegetable garden here before, and this is going to SM in our area. And it's good if we have our own land here that we can make our own garden, organic garden. So here we can come here for a children's garden here, but they did not till it very well. It's very thin, the water trace. And this is my kangkong or water trace. This is what I'm planning when there is no heavy rain, to have organic farming with vegetable like cabbage, broccoli, because you have already water pump next year. In this area, this is the mango tree that you came before. We have
Going
a corn
towards the river.
this is toward the river that you pass by sometimes. We have a corn, but the problem of my corn is we have so plenty of weeds. You see, come. This is water grass. And this is
Native
pechay.
pechay, lettuce, native lettuce, spinach.
Pichay. This is spinach. Ang mangga. This is the place that you go before when you go to the river. And this is my corn. My corn is plenty of weeds because I have no plow, just one row, and plenty of grasses. And that's why we have a grass cutter to cut the grass. So maybe next time if you have our hand tractor and grass cutter, it should be clean. And this was planted with some squash inside. Here, this is the squash with corn. Squash with corn. So don't you worry looking for plenty of grasses and weeds. Okay, here you see the mango. So this is the place, and this site maybe later a year now is a
National road.
going to SM, national road going to SM.
Going to SM. So where is the cut of Pastor? From here?
It's from here. There's it's about 30 meters wide. 30 meters wide. So they have to maybe next year, this year, it will be started for the building will come up there, and we show you the area of near the water.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna go up.
We'll have to go up.
We're climbing. Here we go. What is that?
This is the post of the new road. You see the dike? It's near because it was changed. So we pray, and I pray if we have our own property here, because we're near with the road, if we can buy a place here. This is the place, our house.
Yeah, there's the house of Pastor Jimmy there. Ate Nining said that's his youngest son. Look how stiff it is.
This is our cow.
Youngest cow,
Eldest cow.
eldest dog,
Eldest dog, youngest cow.
See,
twin bravo.
this side is the one.
The eggplant field.
The eggplant field, and this is our
And
house
there's
there.
the house there.
The mango.
So if the road is
The blind dog.
from here,
And see the dike?
so like the
It's
children are
already
playing.
near with the road.
So the
someday.
road is
so
here.
maybe next year the land here will be going high. It will bring high. I'm praying for this place if we have budget for this place. See.
Inamahit raman itong bomba.
Our water pump, electric water pump here
Mahit di sa dalan.
will be banished by the road
The
someday.
road someday.
So this is the area
That's the eggplant field.
that I'm praying if we have property for this. If we can budget for this. We'll pray for this. So it's near with your Canada, near with this place, and
Tamnan og
That's the house.
property. House there. So
The road will be here.
Yeah. Here.
From there.
So tayo posti niya ang ba? Huwag ka nang na.
Oh my God.
Asa to posti niya, Mick? Ana. Ako na siyang with niyo.
That's the road. That's huge. From there, so that's 4 lanes.
This is the place. This is the place where you found the.
The cow.
The
So
cow.
cute.
The Japanese, what's that? What's it? Sonsoy? Japanese tobacco pipe.
Pipe?
Yeah, this is the place. Oh,
My God.
and this is the place that you are looking for. The pipe is the place now for the road.
For the road.
So, with the road construction.
The cow.
Oh, the cow is
The cow.
laughing to us. You know?
Jenny.
Ano na lang ikaw, ganit mo ako kayo. That's only our news. And I'm praying that you can bantay ka nagkalibang.
Oh my God, look at that.
Di-appeal na.
She just went poop. There are the kids there. Look at the development. Remember this tree when we were sitting here? The cotton tree? Yeah, it's down now for the construction of the road.
Kita naman yan ini.
Yeah.
Paghawa niya wala pa na ba?
Yeah, when you left, it was not yet here. The dike is there.
Mo diya kay mangkuan mo. Kini naman kaniya ta gamay na lang oh. Gamay na lang nga. Kini oh. Makapalit yapon ta diri, nagyapon ta diri kang kuan. Dul yapon pero kung may problema makapalit ka na sa gamay ra gid siya. Mura na siya mabilin dahil.
Because that's the main road. That's the main highway over there.
Dili kini ra.
In the very end right now.
Kini. There. Going to my brother's house.
So from here,
Yeah. Going to LTO.
going to LTO, so straight. Going here, up to the garden. It really hits the garden.
See my mango there. So,
There's the kids.
ang mango na
The mango tree.
was being passed by the road.
Yeah.
Hindi siya tingog, dili siya matiyo, pero makita siya na.
So let's go down, go back to the garden.
Ako sa ko niya kung baka ibalin ako. Ako kay pagkauno dito.
This cow.
Tulog na sila karon.
Pastor Jimmy's gonna transfer his cow. Ooh. Butchoy! Come on. Come on, cow.
Patuloy sa amin. Okay. Magdala og kwan kanang tubig, galon, balde.
We need to water the plants and the vegetable crops.
Akong painom mo puning bata. Magbong ni subot kita makuha. Ay lang kahulog. Uy, mga bilog ba?
So we will be right back for the rest of the videos.